So, you've decided to learn English. You're excited, you're motivated, and then you open a book or try to watch a movie, and that feeling of being completely overwhelmed hits you. You have no idea where to even start. You look at grammar books, and they feel way too complicated. You listen to native speakers, and they talk so fast, it just sounds like a blur of noise. It feels like this impossible mountain to climb, and that excitement you had starts turning into frustration. You might even start wondering, can I actually do this? But what if I told you that you don't need to learn everything all at once? What if the secret is to focus on just a few key things to build a solid foundation for fluency? In this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate first step guide, breaking down exactly what you need to do to start speaking English with confidence starting today. This isn't about being perfect, it's about getting started the right way. We're going to walk through 5 essential steps together. Think of this as your personal roadmap. First, we'll start with the most powerful words you absolutely need to know. Then I'll show you the secret to putting those words together into simple, perfect sentences. After that, I'll give you the exact phrases you can start using in real conversations right away. Next, we'll practice a few key sounds so people can understand you easily. And finally, we'll talk about the most important step of all, building a simple habit that guarantees you'll keep getting better day after day. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan. You'll know exactly what to do next, and you'll feel ready to take action. So, let's begin. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to learn way too many words at once. The truth is, you don't need to know 10,000 words to have a conversation. In fact, the most common 100 to 200 words make up a huge chunk of everyday spoken English. Focusing on these core words first is the fastest way to start understanding and speaking. Start with pronouns, words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. You'll use them all the time. Then add the most important verbs, the ones you'll use every day: to be, to have, to do, to say, to go, to get, to make, to know, to want, and to see. With just these verbs, you can already say so much. For example, I am a student. You have a question. We go to work. They want to learn. Finally, add a few basic nouns from your daily life. Words like time, person, day, way, thing, world, life, hand, place, and work. Write these words down. Say them out loud. Use flashcards. Don't just recognize them. Train your brain to recall them instantly. Now, let's put those words into sentences. English grammar might seem scary, but the simplest way to start is to remember one structure: subject, verb, and object. For example, I learn English. She has a question. We see a car. Just like building with Lego pieces, you take one subject, one verb, and one object and put them together. Once you've got that, practice in 3 tenses: present, past, and future. I want a coffee. I wanted a coffee. I will want a coffee. With this, you can already talk about the past, the present, and the future. That's a huge step forward. If this is already helping you feel more confident, make sure to subscribe to Speak Fluent English so you don't miss out on more step-by-step lessons like this. Next, let's talk about phrases you can use right away in real conversations. Language is for communication, so instead of worrying about grammar rules, start with whole phrases you can memorize and say automatically. For example, hello, my name is. What's your name? It's nice to meet you. I would like a coffee, please. Excuse me, can you help me? Pick 5 of these phrases and practice them until they come naturally. Say them 10 times each, practice in the mirror, or record yourself. This is how you build confidence in real-life situations.
Now let's practice pronunciation. Many learners worry that native speakers won't understand them. The key is to focus on clarity, not speed. Speak slowly and clearly. Listen to short clips of native speakers, then pause and repeat. Try shadowing, copying the rhythm, tone, and stress of their sentences. And let's practice the th sound, which many learners find tricky. For think, put your tongue between your teeth and push air out. Think. 3. Thank you. For this, your throat vibrates. This. That. They. Don't be shy. Repeat after me. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Finally, the most important part, make it a daily habit. You don't need to study for hours, just 15 minutes every day is enough. Review vocabulary, write simple sentences, practice phrases, or record yourself speaking. Small, consistent steps will build fluency much faster than trying to do everything at once. Remember, mistakes mean you're learning, so don't be afraid of them. Let's quickly recap. Focus on the most common words. Use simple subject-verb-object sentences. Learn real conversational phrases. Practice pronunciation slowly and clearly. And most importantly, build a daily habit. You now have a clear roadmap. Fluency doesn't come overnight, but step by step, with consistency, you'll get there. Believe in yourself, and remember, communication, not perfection, is the goal. To make it even easier, I've prepared a free beginner's English checklist with all the vocabulary and steps we covered today. You'll find the link in the description. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Speak Fluent English, hit the notification bell, and join our growing community of learners. And I'd love to hear from you. What's one new word or phrase you learned today? Leave it in the comments. Thanks for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep speaking English with confidence.